Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the Windows Update error code 0x80888002 that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer that reads that we couldn't install this update, but you can try again. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I recommend doing would be just to restart your computer and then attempt to re-engage the Windows Update and see if you're able to then proceed to download and install the update successfully. If you're still having an issue, something else we can try would be to open up the search menu and type in services, best match, should come back with services. Go ahead and open that up. You want to go down to the background intelligent transfer service, double click on it. Set startup type to either automatic or automatic delayed start, and if service status is stopped, you want to select the start option and then select apply and OK. And then you want to go down to the Windows Update service. So just scroll down to Windows Update and double click on that. Set startup type to automatic, and if service status is stopped, select start, then select apply and OK. And now you want to close out of there and open up the search menu and type in Troubleshoot. Best match should come back with Troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. And now on the right side underneath options, you want to select other troubleshooters. And then underneath most frequent, select the Windows Update troubleshooter and the corresponding run button. And give that a moment to run here. And again, see if that resolves the issue. Something else we can try here as well would be to open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, type in SFC and then a space / scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that has concluded, go ahead and close out of here, and you want to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that was a pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.